Hey guys, this is Erin from Crafts Everywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to do the right side and wrong side rows for the off the beaten path bonnet. So I've already done a few of the rows, and so now we're on a right side row here. So we cast it on with our contrast color, that's red, and so our main color is the mustard. You will knit the first 2 stitches in your main color, and then you need to bring your contrast color, the red, to the front of your work, but in order to avoid the gap you want to cross your main color over the top of your contrast color so it helps lock it into place, and then you'll just pull your contrast color tight, bring it forward, and then purl 2. And you'll just do that at the before your first 2 purl stitches of every round. So then it looks like that at the back. And then you'll bring that your contrast color back to the back, and then you'll just knit 2 with the main color, bring your contrast to the front, purl 2, bring it back to the back of your work, knit 2 main color, two purls in the contrast, 2 in the main. So that's what your right side will look like. And then now we'll do a wrong side row. So you're going to bring your needle under both colors. You're going to purl 2 with your main color. Now cross your main color over the top of your contrast and then bring it to the back of your work to knit 2. And then bring it to the front again. And then I like to leave it laying over the top here because it helps with the twisting of the yarn. And then you'll purl 2 with the main color and then bring your contrast back to the back of the work to knit 2. Purl 2, main color, oops, don't need to do that, pick up contrast color to the back, knit 2, bring it back to the front, and then purl 2 main color. And there is a completed wrong side row. Looks like that on the front. And that's how you do the 2 row repeat on the off the beaten path bonnet.